Hello guys, this is Round Tips. Today I show you how to trim video on YouTube or YouTube Shorts. Okay, open YouTube and press right corner your avatar and press YouTube Studio. Click on Content, find your video or videos or shorts. Click on Videos or Shorts. Okay, find your videos and press Details and click on Editor. Click on Trim and Cut and press New Cut and change your moment. Alright, and click on Cut. Alright, check. Click on. Alright, this is good. And other moment and click on New Cut. Select your moment and click on Cut. Alright, trim to moment and press Save. That's all.